Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Battleverse, where we explore the most mind-blowing and cutting-edge technology, aviation marvels, and military powerhouses that exist on our planet. Today, you're in for something extraordinary because we are venturing into the skies to uncover 7 aircraft so futuristic, so advanced in their design, that if someone told you they were built by alien engineers, you might just believe them. These are the machines that blur the line between science fiction and engineering reality. The kind of planes that make you question whether our species is really at the peak of innovation or if we've been inspired by something far beyond Earth. Each of these aircraft stands as a testament to human ambition, combining radical designs, extreme performance, and capabilities that, only a few decades ago, would have been laughed off as impossible. From stealth bombers that vanish into thin air to hypersonic jets that can outrun their own shockwaves, what we're about to explore is nothing short of breathtaking. So buckle up, because this flight is going to take you through the limits of what we thought was possible. Our journey begins with the Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, the United States Air Force's latest stealth bomber. Just one glance at this aircraft is enough to make you feel like you're looking at a craft designed for interstellar travel. Its exterior is a masterpiece of stealth engineering, with a smooth-flying wing profile and not a single visible seam or vertical stabilizer. It's painted in deep matte black, designed to absorb and scatter radar waves, making it nearly impossible to detect. The edges are razor-sharp, with every curve calculated to evade detection. Even when you see it on a runway, it looks like it's hiding in plain sight. Inside, the cockpit is clean and futuristic, housing just 2 crew members in a minimal, highly digitalized environment with advanced AI-assisted flight systems, eliminating the clutter of traditional control panels. This is a space where pilots can focus entirely on mission execution without the distraction of manual tasks. The B-21 can travel thousands of miles without refueling, deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons, and penetrate the most heavily defended airspaces in the world. Safety is paramount, with advanced electronic countermeasures capable of blinding enemy targeting systems, plus redundant flight controls to ensure it can return home even after damage. Its most unique quality is adaptability. This bomber is built for the next 50 years, with the ability to integrate weapons systems that haven't even been invented yet. While the exact cost is shrouded in secrecy, experts estimate it to be around $700 million per aircraft. Next, we leap into the realm of extreme speed with the State Route 72, also known as the son of Blackbird. This is the spiritual successor to the legendary State Route 71, but where its predecessor topped out at Mach 3.2, the State Route 72 aims for Mach 6, twice as fast. Imagine crossing entire oceans in under an hour. The exterior is needle-nosed and sleek, built from heat-resistant titanium alloys and carbon composites that can withstand temperatures so high they would melt most metals. The surfaces are razor-edged to cut through the air with minimal resistance. Inside, the cockpit is compact and functional, designed more for monitoring than piloting since much of the SR-72's operation will be autonomous. Pilots, when on board, will mostly supervise while onboard AI handles the brutal demands of hypersonic flight. Performance-wise, the State Route 72 can outrun and outclimb any threat, flying at altitudes where interceptors and missiles are useless. Its safety features include an emergency AI landing system and self-cooling materials that prevent structural overheating. Its unique advantage lies in being both a reconnaissance and strike platform. It can gather intelligence and deliver precision strikes before enemies even know it's there. This kind of technology doesn't come cheap, with projected costs of over $1 billion per unit. From the United States, we move to Russia with the Sukhoi Su-75 Checkmate. Unlike anything you'd expect from a country known for rugged, utilitarian aircraft, the Su-75 is sleek, angular, and stealthy, looking more like something out of a sci-fi movie than a traditional fighter jet. Its exterior boasts faceted surfaces designed to scatter radar waves, an alien-like canopy with sharp contours, and stealth-friendly engine inlets. The single-seat interior is minimal but ergonomic, with holographic displays and hands-on throttle and stick controls giving the pilot complete command without distraction. Capable of supersonic speeds, high agility, and carrying a versatile array of weapons, this aircraft promises to rival much more expensive fighters. For safety, it features an advanced ejection system designed to save the pilot even in extreme maneuvers and onboard life support systems to withstand heavy G-forces. Its standout quality is affordability for its class. At an estimated $30 million, it offers stealth capabilities to nations that could never afford an F-35, making it a game-changer in global air power distribution. Our fourth stop is the NASA X-59 KSST, which might be one of the strangest-looking aircraft you'll ever see. With its extremely long, thin nose and elongated fuselage, the X-59 shape is unlike anything flying today. It's built for a very specific purpose, to fly faster than the speed of sound without producing the deafening sonic boom that has banned supersonic flight over most populated areas. Instead, the X-59 generates a barely audible sonic thump, thanks to its unusual design. Inside, the cockpit is surprisingly sparse, there's no forward window at all. Pilots navigate using an advanced external vision system, which streams high-definition, real-time video from cameras mounted outside the plane. Performance-wise, the X-59 will cruise at Mach 1.5 and could pave the way for commercial supersonic travel to return to the skies. Safety features include multiple redundant flight systems and composite materials capable of handling the unique stresses of its design. At $247 million, it's not cheap, but if successful, it could completely change how we think about air travel. Next, we turn to the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, a fighter jet that has been both celebrated and criticized but remains one of the most advanced combat aircraft ever built. The exterior is a blend of stealth shaping and aerodynamic perfection, with smooth curves and hidden weapons bays that keep its radar cross-section low. Its single engine is powerful yet compact, giving it the thrust to dominate both in the skies and in ground attack missions. Inside, the cockpit is revolutionary, dominated by a single, large touchscreen that replaces dozens of traditional instruments, combined with a helmet-mounted display that projects targeting information, navigation data, and even night vision directly into the pilot's field of view. The F-35 can perform the role of a fighter, bomber, and reconnaissance aircraft, making it incredibly versatile. Safety is enhanced through automated threat detection and avoidance systems, along with networked combat awareness that lets it see threats beyond the pilot's line of sight. Its unique selling point is its multi-role dominance. It can do almost everything a modern Air Force could want. Prices vary depending on the version, but they hover around $80 million each. Number 6 on our list is the Northrop Grumman X-47B, an unmanned stealth aircraft that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its exterior is eerily smooth, lacking a cockpit entirely because it doesn't need one. The flying wing design is optimized for radar evasion, and the lack of human pilots means it can handle maneuvers and G-forces impossible for manned aircraft. There's no interior to speak of. Its brain is a sophisticated AI that can take off, land, and perform combat missions entirely on its own, including from aircraft carriers. Performance is exceptional. It can fly long-range missions without refueling, deliver precision strikes, and operate in heavily defended environments without risking a pilot's life. Safety comes from redundant control systems and encrypted communications to prevent hacking. Its unique selling point is that it represents the future of carrier-based aviation, unmanned, autonomous, and deadly. At roughly $813 million, it's expensive, but it eliminates the cost of training and risking human pilots. Finally, we have the Tupolev Tu-160M2, nicknamed the White Swan. This Russian supersonic bomber is not just massive, it's the fastest bomber in the world. Its exterior is a striking combination of smooth white paint, variable sweep wings, and a pointed nose, giving it a look that's both elegant and intimidating. Inside, it's far more comfortable than you'd expect for a war machine, with space for 4 crew members, a blend of analog and digital controls, and even climate-controlled seating. In terms of performance, the Tu-160M2 can cruise at over Mach 2 and carry the heaviest payload of any bomber, capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear weapons across continents. Safety features include reinforced airframes for nuclear missions, advanced countermeasure systems, and the ability to fly at low altitudes to evade radar. Its unique quality is the blend of raw speed, massive payload, and modernized stealth upgrades. At about $250 million each, it's a reminder that sheer size and speed still have a place in modern warfare. Looking at these 7 aircraft together, it's clear that we are living in a time when aviation is pushing the limits of imagination. Some of these machines are built for stealth, some for speed, and some for versatility, but all of them share one thing: they look and feel like they've come from another world. Whether it's the shadowy profile of the B-21 Raider, the blistering velocity of the State Route 72, the cost-breaking stealth of the Su-75, the quiet boom of the X-59, the high-tech multi-role power of the F-35, the unmanned autonomy of the X-47B, or the majestic speed of the Tu-160M2, each is redefining what's possible in aviation. The price tags are staggering, but so are the capabilities, and as technology continues to evolve, we might soon see designs even stranger and more powerful than these. One thing is certain, the future of flight doesn't just belong in the skies, it belongs in our dreams, and sometimes, those dreams look a lot like alien spacecraft brought to life.